Hello students, I am Chelma Reddy. Welcome to CR Maths class. Previous class we are completed up to 48, 49, 50, try yourself. Now I am going to discuss question number 51 in level 1. Read the question, A matrix given, then data of adjoint A. What is data of adjoint A formula students? Data of adjoint A is equal to data A whole power n minus 1. N means order of the matrix. Here 3 by 3 order given. So data of adjoint A value is data A whole square. First we need to find determinant of A. First observe the A matrix. 1 square given. 1 square means 1. 2 square 4. 3 square 9. 4 9 16 9 16 25. These are the elements of a matrix A. Now find determinant of A, det A, that's equal to. Now apply the formula. Symbols take that plus, minus, plus 1 into AD minus BC. 9 into 25. 8 into 25 is 200. 9 into 25 means 225 minus 16, 16 sir. 256 minus 4 into, now 4 into 2500 minus 9 into 16 144 plus 9 into 4 into 16 64 minus 9 into 9 81. Now students observe here 225 minus 256. How much? Minus 31 or not? This is minus 31. Next 100 minus 144. Minus 44. Minus into minus plus 4 fours are 16. 4 fours are 16. 176. 64 minus 81. How much? 37 minus 37. Minus 37 into 9. No, not minus 37. 6, 4, 10, 6, 7. No. 7, 4, 11 only, no? Right, correct. Minus 37. 37 into 9. How much, students? 9 sevens are 63. 9 threes are 27. 33. Is correct? Sixty-four minus 81 is 17. 79s are 153. Overall, we are getting answer minus 8. Data A value we got minus 8. Those values substitute here. Minus 8 whole square is equal to 64. So data of adjoint A value 64. Third option correct. Question number 52. What they are given here? A into adjoint A given. A into adjoint A. That is 400 040 004. Now here take 4 common. Remaining we get 100 010 010 001. This is identity matrix. Okay, so this is we can write 4 into I. This is A into adjoint A value. Okay, but we know the formula A into adjoint A, that is equal to what? Det A into I. This is the formula, yes or no? By comparing both, what is det A value? 4. 4. But here we need to find det of adjoint A. What is det of adjoint A formula? Det A whole power n minus 1. N means here 3. 3 by 3 matrix. That is det A whole square. Det A value, now only we are identified, that is 4. 4 square. 16. Second option, correct. Adjoint A is equal to some matrix given. So here this is a matrix. What is A matrix here? 1 0 2 minus 1 1 minus 2 0 2 1. This is A matrix. Next, adjoint A given 5 A minus 2 1 1 0 minus 2 minus 2 B. Okay, this is adjoint A. So find adjoint A comparing with already given adjoint A. Then you will get AB values. How to find adjoint A? First we need to find cofactors. That is IPE method. So I am going to objective method. This is A into adjoint A. A into adjoint A is equal to det A into I. This is the formula now. First we need to find det A value. Det A how much? Use here symbols plus, minus, plus. Plus 1, AD minus BC. 2 2s are 4. 2 2s are 4. Here we get plus. Plus. This is completely 0. No need to write. Next second, 2 into minus 2 minus 0. Overall, observe this. 5 minus 4. That is equal to 1. Det A value we got 1. Now, right here, A into adjoint A. What is A matrix? 1 0 2 minus 1 1 minus 2 0 2 1 into adjoint A. What is the adjoint A here? 5 A minus 2 1 1 0 minus 2 B. That is equal to, here what is it? Det A into I. Det A value is 1. 1 into identity matrix. 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. Now left hand side, multiply two matrices, then compare corresponding elements, you will get AB values. Now go to the multiplication here. First row, first column. 1 into 5, 5, 0 into 1, 0, 2 into minus 2, minus 4. Next, second column. 1 into A, 0 into 1, 0, 2 into minus 2, minus 4. Third column, minus 2, 0, plus 2B, plus 2B. Here, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. Students, here, remaining elements no need to find. No need to find. By comparing the corresponding elements, these two observe that 5 minus 4 1 or not? It is satisfied. It is satisfied. Next, I'm going to compare these two. A plus minus 4 is equal to 0. In this case, what we get? A minus 4 is equal to 0. Then A value should be 4. A value is 4. Next, I am going to compare another value. So that is minus 2 plus 2b is equal to 0. Minus 2 plus 2b is equal to 0. Then what is 2b? 2. B 1. A value is 4. B value is 1. Identify here what they are asking. Matrix A comma B. A value is 4. B value is 1. This is the answer. Which option correct? Third option correct. Friends, are you understood? How to do this? A is 3 by 3 matrix. Data of adjoint A is equal to 16. Find data value. What is data of adjoint A formula first? Data of adjoint A formula is equal to det A whole power n minus 1. Here n means 3 by 3 matrix, 3 minus 1. So data of adjoint A value is 16. Det A value is det A whole square. 16 is equal to det A whole square. Then what is det A? Plus or minus 4. Plus or minus 4. Third option correct. Okay. This is not modulus. Determinant, det. If it is there modulus, you will get only positive. Okay. Here there is no modulus. Right. So I am going to another question, 55. Data of A 3 by 3 matrix 6. Then find data of adjoint of 2A. First here observe that adjoint of K, what is the formula? That is equal to K power n minus 1 into adjoint A. This is the formula. Data of K, that is equal to K power n into K power n into dt. These are the two formulas. Okay, those are useful now. See that first we need to find adjoint of 2A. Adjoint of 2A. That means what is the formula? 2 power n minus 1, 3 minus 1 into adjoint A. That is 4 adjoint A. Okay. And what they are given here? Det A value 6 given. Det A is equal to 6. Now we need to find data of adjoint of 2A. And adjoint of 2A value 4 adjoint A. Next, this is 4 cube into data of adjoint A. 4 cube means that is we can write 2 square whole cube. Data of adjoint A means what is the formula? Det A whole power n minus 1, that is 3 minus 1. Next, det A value already given 6. This is 2 power 6 into 6 square. See the options, there is no 6. We can write like this, 2 power 6. 6 I am writing 2 into 3. That means 2 square into 3 square. Overall observe this. 2 power 8 into 3 square. This is the answer. By observing the options I am calculated. Which option correct? Fourth option correct. Level 2 6th question. matrix 3x square plus 10xy plus 5y square is equal to matrix xy into A into matrix xy. And A is symmetric matrix. Symmetric matrix means A transpose is equal to A means we will say that is symmetric. For suppose A matrix I am taking 3, 10, 10, 5. Here applies the transpose. So these are the A matrices. Then A transpose. A transpose. Here we get 3, 10, 10, 5. Yes. First option is A transpose exists because A transpose is equal to. Second option, see that 10, 3, 5, 10. So this is A transpose, but these two are not equal. This is not satisfied. Next, 3 minus 5 minus 5, 5. This is exists, symmetric. Next, 3, 5, 5, 5. This is also symmetric. Okay. So except the second option, remaining three are symmetric matrices only. Now, by verification method, I am going to verify the first option. In right hand side, matrix xy. First option, what is there? 3, 10, 10, 5. To second matrix, x, y. Multiply these two. I am going to multiply these two first. First row, first column. First row, first column. What are the answer? What is the answer? See, 3x plus 10y. First row, second column, 10x plus 5y. Completed. Only here, first matrix having one row. We get only one row into xy. See here, first row, first column, 3x plus 10y into x. X into 3x plus 10y plus y into 10x plus 5y. Multiply these two, 3x square plus 10xy plus 10xy plus 5y square. Overall answer, how much we are getting? 3x square plus 20xy plus 5y square. See the question here, what is there? 10xy. But here we got 20xy. So this is wrong answer. This is wrong answer. That's why I am going to verify the fourth option. Fourth option is correct because 5, 5 is there instead of 10. Xy 3, 5, 5, 5 into xy. I'm verifying the fourth option. Now multiply, students. 3x plus 5y. 5x plus 5y. This is into xy. Again multiply these two. 3x plus 5y into x. 3x square 5xy plus 5x plus 5y into y. 5xy plus 5y square. 5y square. Now 3x square 10xy plus 5y square. Yes, it is satisfied. So finally, which option correct? Fourth option. Let A be the set of 3 by 3 skew symmetric matrix whose entries are either -1, 0 or 1. If they are exactly 3 zeros, 3 ones, then the number of such matrices is skew symmetric matrix order 3 by 3. So we know that the principal diagonal elements of skew symmetric odd order matrix, those are 0. Here is 0, here is 0, and here also 0. Now we need to fill the numbers here and here, 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 here and here. How many places are there? There are 6 places. We know that skew symmetric matrix means those elements are 0. For suppose here B, A, here B, here C means opposite. Here we need minus A, minus B, minus C. Okay. How many ones are there here? 2 ones are there. But these two observe that opposite signs. And same like that, these two observe that opposite signs. And these two also. If you are filled here 1, here we want to fill -1. Yes or no? 1 minus 1. Or for suppose here -1 means here we want to fill the 1. How many chances we are getting? There are 2 chances each place. By observing these 2 places, there are 2 chances. So number of matrices, number of skew symmetric matrices. Skew symmetric matrices is equal to these places 2 elements into, next go to here also 2 elements into 2, next here also 2 places 2. That means any one of the place can be select. Here 1 means opposite is -1. But suppose here -1 means opposite should be 1. 2 into 2 into 2. Total how many chances? There are 8 chances. 8 different skew symmetric matrices are possible. Which option correct, students? Third option. The maximum number of different possible non-zero entries in a skew symmetric matrix of order n. So I am going to take skew symmetric matrix order n, that is n is equal to 3. We know that skew symmetric matrix odd order, what are the elements? In principal diagonal elements, we can take each and every element is 0. Okay. So here they are asking how many maximum number of different possible non-zero entries. Non-zero entries. How many different elements are possible? For suppose see, here I am taken 1. Compulsory here we need to take -1. Yes or no? For suppose here you are taken 2. Here is -2. For suppose here you are taken -4. Here should be 4. See here, except to zeros, they are asking non-zero entries. Non-zero entries. How many possible? How many possible? This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 entries are possible. Number of different possible entries. Different possible non-zero entries. Zero cannot be counted. Non-zero entries. How many possible students here? That is 6. Verify the options. I am going to verify the fourth option. Fourth option, what they are given? N square minus n. Instead of n, substitute 3. 3 square, 9 minus 3, that is equal to 6. Both are coincide now. So it is correct. But see the third option, we are getting 9. N square is there. N is equal to 3. 9. It is wrong. Second option, half n square plus n. This is 9 plus 3, 12. 12 by, this is 6. Here also satisfied. Here also satisfied. N square plus 1. 12. 2 6 are 12. Okay. And first option, see that 1 by 2 into 9 minus 3. This is 6 3. This is wrong. And fourth and second option, both are same answer. Both are getting same answer.